Hi, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Katrina and my job is to help you speak Mandarin with confidence and joy. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about Chinese rhetorical question, but be careful, this lesson is a little bit challenging for beginner students or even pre-intermediate students. So if you don't understand, don't worry, just ask questions in the comment below. Now without further ado, let's get started. The first rhetorical structure is 难道吗?难道吗? This structure is used to express disbelief, or when something that surprised you a lot, you would ask questions something like, don't you da da da, or is it possible that da da da. For example, if you know something is really good and you know that someone would definitely like it, and then the other person's reaction is not what you expected, you would say, 难道你不喜欢吗?难道你不喜欢吗? It's like, don't you like it? I think you would like it. Of course you would like it. Don't you like it? Or is it possible you don't like it? 难道你不喜欢吗?难道你不喜欢吗? Or another example, 难道你不想去吗?难道你不想去吗? You don't want to go? 难道你不想去吗? Or another example, 难道你不明白吗?难道你不明白吗? So you're not really asking if they understand, you're just emphasizing that they should understand. 难道你不明白吗? The next rhetorical question is, 你以为吗?你以为哒哒哒吗? In English, it is translated as, do you think that? Question. This is used to challenge someone's assumption, and the answer is no. For example, if you want to tell people, you think I don't know? Of course, I know. Or, you think I'm rich? Of course I'm not rich. So how do you say those sentences in Mandarin with the structure? 你以为我不知道吗? You think I don't know? 你以为我不知道吗? So you think, you thought, I don't know. 你以为我不知道吗? So this refers to, of course I know. You think I don't know? 你以为我不知道吗? Or another example, 你以为我很有钱吗? You think I'm rich? Of course not. So, 你以为我很有钱吗? You think I am rich? Rhetorical question. Of course not. I'm not rich. 你以为我很有钱吗? Of course not. The next one is 不是哒哒哒吗? 不是哒哒哒吗? This structure is used to sarcastically point out something that is obvious or asking for confirmation. For example, 你不是说你很聪明吗?为什么你要问我?你不是说你很聪明吗? Didn't you say you're smart? 为什么你要问我? Well, you have to ask me. 你不是说你很聪明吗?为什么你要问我? See, that's sarcasm. Next example, 你不是很厉害吗?为什么要我帮忙?你不是很厉害吗?为什么要我帮忙?你不是很厉害吗? Aren't you very capable? 为什么要我帮忙? Why you need my help? So these two examples shows the sarcasm when someone say that he or she is very smart, very capable, but in the end asking your help, you could say a sentence like, 你不是很聪明吗?你不是很厉害吗? Didn't you say you're smart and capable? Very useful and very sarcastic rhetorical question. The next pattern is, 谁哒哒哒呢?谁哒哒哒呢? This can be translated as who would or who could question, and it often implies no one would or no one could. For example, 谁会相信你呢? Who would believe you? So that implies no one would believe you. 谁会相信你呢？他的个性那么差，谁要跟他做朋友？他的个性那么差。His personality is so bad. 谁要跟他做朋友？ Who would want to be friends with him? 谁要跟他做朋友？ So that implies no one wants to. 谁要跟他做朋友？ Nobody wants to. Another great one is 能吗？能吗？ It is translated as can you or can somebody, and it's often used to express when you think something is impossible. So you ask the question 能吗 to kind of ask, is it even possible? No, I don't think it's possible. For example, 你吃那么多能减肥吗？你吃那么多能减肥吗？你吃那么多 You're eating so much. 能减肥吗？ Can you lose weight? Is that even possible for you to lose weight? This implies, of course not. I don't think you can lose weight. But I'm just asking, 你吃那么多能减肥吗？ Of course not, in my opinion. 你那么懒能成功吗？你那么懒 You're being so lazy. 能成功吗？ Can you be successful? Can you succeed? Of course, I don't think it's possible. So this question emphasizes how something that is obvious, no. The next one is 怎么呢？怎么呢？ This translates as how is it possible that, how could someone that, how was someone that. For example, if you want to say, how could I forget your birthday? Your birthday is important. So how could I forget your birthday is a rhetorical question. In Mandarin, you could say, 我怎么会忘记你的生日呢？我怎么会忘记 How could I forget 你的生日呢？ So that implies I would not forget your birthday, of course. 我怎么会忘记你的生日呢？ Or if you want to express how would I know what he is thinking? Of course I don't know what he is thinking. So in Mandarin to say how would I know what he is thinking? That would be 我怎么会知道他在想什么？我怎么会知道 How would I know? 他在想什么 What he is thinking. 我怎么会知道他在想什么 The next rhetorical question is 这还用说吗 Or 这还用问吗这还用说吗 Do you even need to say this? Or 这还用问吗 Do you even need to ask this? It states that something is so obvious, it doesn't need to be stated, asked, or said. For example, 这还用说吗？当然是真的。这还用说吗？当然是真的。Isn't it obvious? Do you even have to say it? Of course it's true. 当然是真的。这还用说吗？当然是真的。Or another example. One says, 他为什么迟到？他为什么迟到？ Why he's late? And the other person says, 这还用问吗？当然是因为睡过头。这还用问吗？ Is that even a question? 当然是因为睡过头。Of course, it's because he overslept. 当然是因为睡过头。这还用问吗 Is that even a question? Alright, I know some of the phrases and rhetorical questions are very challenging for you. If you're a beginner or lower intermediate student between HSK 1 to HSK 3 level, please check out the links below. I have courses to help you improve your Chinese grammar, vocabulary, and speaking skill to help you equip all the grammar and vocabulary knowledge of Mandarin Chinese in my courses. Links are all down below in the description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. 再见。